Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy the Instagram profile link in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile, you will see option of share profile. Just tap on it. And here you can see the QR code of your profile. Your friends can scan the code with their Instagram camera and it will open your profile for them. If you need a link of your profile, just tap on the option that says copy link and your Instagram URL will be copied. To share the link, just paste it wherever you need to. If you are on a phone, long press in a text field and the link will direct others to your Instagram profile. And that's how you can copy your Instagram profile link. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.